Hey y'all, so we are in the midst of quarantine. You know, it's getting tough out here. I've been down in my basement for 2 weeks by myself so far, and I'm about to lose my mind. But I hope everyone is staying safe, and I hope everyone is staying in. Avoid social gatherings, you know, stay 6 feet apart. So today, what better way to pass some time than to do a makeup tutorial? This look is very reminiscent of my New Year's Eve look. Let me just mute my phone. Sorry, I was already getting a lot of text messages, so I just put my phone on Do Not Disturb. As I said, this is gonna be very reminiscent of my New Year's look. We're gonna do a red lip, a winged liner. Actually, we might not do red. We'll see how I feel at the end. But this video, I'm not gonna really explain what I'm doing. I'm not gonna talk about the products. I'll show you the products, but the rest is just gonna be fast forward, time lapse kind of deal. You ready? Here we go. Alright guys, that is it for this tutorial. I do a really bad job with my liner, which is why I went off screen to do it. And my eyelashes just take a really long time, and nobody wants to watch somebody do their mascara. If you want to know more about the products I use, the shades, the colors, I will leave all that information in the description below. Thank you for watching. Y'all stay safe. You wash your hands, stay inside, stay 6 feet apart. And hopefully the next time we talk, this whole crisis will be over. And until then, I'll see y'all next time. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at HallieMSwift. Go check out my lifestyle blog. That link's in the description below as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all later.